So hello and welcome to Rep Sports. I am Vaibhav Tripathi and with me is Debashish Sen, and this is a very special video. We will be talking about a very special player who had a very unique and a very different practice in the second session which India had yesterday, and it was against the spin. And we are talking about KL Rahul. First he started against spin for about 40-45 minutes. Then he went to take the throwdowns, and when we thought that it's done for KL Rahul, he's done with his batting drills, then KL Rahul went up to Gautam Gambhir and Sitanshu Kotak, the batting coach. He asked the stumps to be around the rough areas of the fast bowlers where fast bowlers were landing their foot, and he was standing on that rough. He had a stumps there, three stumps, and then asked Gautam Gambhir and Sitanshu Kotak to bowl at the rough while he was employing the sweep shot. So that was a special drill that KL Rahul did during the second practice session. Debashish, what were the highlights? Obviously, we didn't saw him a lot practicing a lot of sweep shots against spinners during the main net session, but he had a different session with the coaches.
That was the reason he specifically went down to Gautam Gambhir and Sitanshu Kotak and asked them to bowl at him, because he was not happy with the wicket that was there for the spinners and the practice wickets I'm talking about. So he decided to perhaps use the rough, and that was specifically he was seen cutting the ball, late cut, also paddle sweeps. So I think that was a very good preparation. And Gautam Gambhir, then after he finished off, Gautam Gambhir and Sitanshu Kotak, in the presence of Moni Mokil, all three of them gathering around KL Rahul. The head coach was saying KL Rahul, because we all know Gautam Gambhir is a brilliant player of spin bowling. So he was saying, explaining KL Rahul a few technicalities. I won't say much, because at this level you don't want much to be taught. But so I think, and KL Rahul, being so experienced, he was listening every bits and pieces. So that is why he is such a successful batter. And remember, KL Rahul, Yashasvi, that top four will have to play really out of their skins to put a challenge against the Sri Lankan spinners.
Definitely, and if you look at India's batting lineup in Test cricket, whatever the success they have got, even in England, a huge share of credit was given to KL Rahul for the way he has been batting at the top as an opener. There has been a lot of times where KL Rahul's batting position has been changed from middle order to back to the top, but now under this team management, he's got a role clarity. He's been batting regularly as an opener, and that's where he understands his responsibility. Yesterday he had a full-fledged practice session. First day he had a full-fledged practice session against the fast bowlers, and on the second day he had his focus solely against the spin, even against the spin quartet of Kuldeep Yadav, Ravindra Jadeja, Sanaj and Manav Sutar. He was using his back foot really well, playing those cut shot back foot punches. But for that spin special sweep session, he went to Sitanshu Kotak and Gautam Gambhir, so that because of he wanted that rough area which was obviously not there in either of the three practice wickets. So that's why he wanted that rough session, and he had a separate session just to get better at sweeping the ball, because
And
Debashish,
Vaibhav, I
yeah.
would like to add one more thing about KL Rahul. It is not related to his batting, but obviously, being the senior cricketer, he was taking initiative. When it comes to the slip catching practice, it was KL Rahul who was seen instructing Yashasvi Jaiswal. So that is something that struck me, because not being the senior most player in the side, you need to share your experiences with the juniors. So in these conditions, sleep catching, the way you stand behind, the way you place yourself, he was more or less explaining in details to Yashasvi Jaiswal, because Yashasvi Jaiswal, hasn't played much in the subcontinent, especially in Sri Lanka. So that is what makes this team such a cohesive unit.
Definitely, and what, this is what a senior player should do. KL Rahul is not just a senior player; he's a part of the leadership group. In the first video, also we told you that how much of interaction was going on between Shubman Gill and KL Rahul while they were batting in the adjacent nets. That was regular conversations. That the environment of the team is so good. You can see players laughing with coaches. The environment, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of pressure on the team, and that's very good heading into a very important series. You want the team environment to be good. I think everywhere is gelling really well. Even the new fielding coach has been very fine, has been doing really well with the players. So I think all in all, it's going really well for Indian team. Now let's see how much of this practice, sweep shot practice, which KL Rahul did, will help him in the test series, the 2 match test series, which begins in Gaul from 15th of August. Obviously, there is a lot of practice session yet to be done before the first test. So we'll keep a close eye on what KL Rahul and others are also doing. This was just a special session for KL Rahul, and that's why this video on him. So yeah, more such videos. We'll keep coming up with such videos. Any news breaks, any updates related to the Indian team, will continue to break here from here down the ground. So keep following Rev Sports, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.